Are you really using Mercedes MBUX the way it was designed to be used? Or are you unknowingly creating problems every single time you start your car? Is MBUX truly a smart system, or is it just a complicated interface that looks impressive but slowly becomes frustrating? Why do so many Mercedes owners complain about slow screens, frozen displays, voice commands that stop responding, or features that seem to disappear after updates? Are these real technical failures? Or are they the result of incorrect usage, poor configuration, and misunderstanding how the system actually works? And most importantly, can most Mercedes MBUX problems be solved without going to the dealer and spending unnecessary money? In this video, we are going to answer these questions. But more importantly, this is the first episode of a complete series dedicated entirely to Mercedes MBUX. A series designed to finally explain how this system really works, why problems appear, and how to use it the way Mercedes engineers actually intended. Mercedes MBUX is not just a screen placed in the dashboard. It is not simply a radio, a navigation system, or a voice assistant. MBUX is the central digital brain of modern Mercedes vehicles, connecting infotainment, comfort systems, navigation, driver assistance, personalization, and vehicle behavior into one single ecosystem. This is where many owners make their first mistake. They treat MBUX like an old infotainment system, something you turn on and forget about. But Mercedes did not design MBUX that way. They designed it as a learning system, one that adapts to the driver, stores preferences, synchronizes profiles, and evolves over time through updates. When this system is configured correctly, it feels intuitive, fast, and intelligent. When it is not, it feels slow, confusing, and unreliable. And the difference between these two experiences is rarely hardware. It is almost always how the system is being used. This is why two owners driving the same Mercedes model, with the same MBUX version, can have completely opposite opinions. One says the system works perfectly. The other says it is full of bugs. In most cases, both are right from their own perspective. One of the real strengths of MBUX is its ability to personalize the vehicle. It can store driver profiles, adapt climate preferences, remember navigation habits, customize displays, and integrate voice commands in a natural way. But this power also means complexity, and complexity requires understanding. Most complaints about Mercedes MBUX fall into predictable categories: slow or lagging response times, screens freezing or rebooting unexpectedly, voice assistant not understanding commands anymore, smartphone connectivity issues, features that stop working after software updates. What many owners do not realize is that these issues often come from accumulated configuration conflicts, profiles that were never properly set up, temporary system data that was never cleared, multiple drivers sharing the same profile, updates installed without restarting the system correctly. Over time, these small issues stack up, and the system begins to feel unstable, even though nothing is physically broken. The most common mistake Mercedes owners make with MBUX is assuming that it is plug-and-play. Mercedes engineers assume that owners will take the time to configure the system properly. They assume profiles will be managed correctly. They assume drivers will understand how updates affect system behavior. When those assumptions fail, frustration begins. Before we go any further, this is the right moment to say something important. If you own a Mercedes equipped with MBUX, or you are considering buying one, make sure you subscribe to the channel now. This is not a one-off video. This is a structured series. Each episode builds on the previous one. By subscribing, you will stay updated on the next episodes where we will move from explanation to real solutions, step by step, without confusion and without dealership myths. This first episode is about understanding. Understanding what MBUX really is. Understanding why problems appear. Understanding why so many owners experience the system differently. In the next episode, we will stop talking theory and focus on real-world issues. We will talk about freezes, bugs, warning messages, update problems, and how to reset MBUX safely. You will learn when a simple reset is enough and when a dealer is actually necessary. And in the final episode of this series, we will unlock hidden features, secret settings, and advanced functions that most owners never use. Features that already exist in your car, but are never explained clearly. Functions that can dramatically improve usability once activated correctly. Mercedes MBUX is often blamed for problems it did not create. In reality, most issues come from misunderstanding how modern Mercedes systems are designed to work. MBUX is powerful, but it demands correct interaction. When used properly, it enhances the driving experience. When misunderstood, it becomes frustrating. By the end of this series, you will not just use MBUX. You will understand it. You will know what it is doing, why it behaves the way it does, and how to get the best out of it. This video is the foundation. Everything builds from here. Make sure you are subscribed, because the next episode will move directly into practical solutions that can save you time, frustration, and potentially a lot of money. This is Mercedes MBUX. Explain the way it should have been from the beginning.